Expand repeat business, turning one-time clients into loyal customers and retail buyers. One of the biggest challenges for beauty shops, salons, and spas is turning one-time clients into loyal, repeat customers. By integrating retail products into your service experience, you can keep clients coming back, not just for services but also for products that help them maintain their results at home. Tips for building repeat business and growing retail sales. Follow up with clients post-service. After a client's service, reach out with personalized recommendations for products they can use at home. Follow up with emails, text messages, or calls, making it easy for them to purchase the recommended products from you. Offer memberships or subscription programs. Membership programs that include regular services paired with exclusive discounts on retail products can keep clients coming back. Clients will appreciate the value and convenience, which also creates opportunities for regular retail sales. Loyalty programs. Develop a loyalty program that rewards repeat purchases, both in services and retail products. Offer incentives like free products, discounts, or exclusive access to new items for customers who frequently buy from your retail selection. Create special promotions for existing clients. Incentivize repeat business by offering special discounts or promotions for returning clients. For instance, a buy 2 products, get 1 free offer can encourage clients to stock up on their favorite products. How BNTC Retail Plus helps support repeat business. The Retail Plus program is designed to make growing repeat business easier. Turnkey solutions. With Retail Plus, you'll have access to ready-to-go marketing materials that help encourage repeat sales, from product recommendations to promotions. Easy inventory management. You'll never run out of stock with Retail Plus streamlined inventory management system. This ensures that your best-selling products are always available for your loyal clients. Optional face bar services. The Beauty in the City Face Bar offers a service that encourages customers to return. It also provides an excellent opportunity to sell additional products that complement the treatments offered at the face bar, boosting repeat retail sales. Conclusion: grow your business with the BNTC Retail Plus program. Growing your retail sales and developing a sustainable revenue stream doesn't have to be difficult. By integrating retail into your beauty business and using effective sales techniques, you can generate more income while providing clients with valuable products. BNTC Retail Plus makes it easy by offering you everything you need to succeed, from training and inventory management to marketing support and the Beauty in the City Face Bar services. Start expanding your retail sales today and build a more profitable business with the Retail Plus program.